This video guide will give you instructions to effectively get rid of the notifications that are related to the website Exitsite.live. Exitsite.live. It's a malicious website that currently attacks the majority of popular browsers. It targets Google Chrome, Firefox, and other browsers too. Its real mission is to force you into subscribing to its annoying web push notifications. The pop-up indicates that you need to click on the special allow button in order to confirm that you are not a robot. However, when people mistakenly do that, when they click on allow button, this very moment the browser gets hijacked and infected. People start getting a lot of advertisements that will be displayed primarily in the right bottom part of the computer screen, and these ads will be multiple and extremely annoying. So do not ever interact with these pop-ups. Do not click on the allow button. Now, what to do if you have mistakenly clicked on that allow button and now see these ads? Go to the menu, go to Settings. Select Privacy and Security in your browser, choose Site Settings and find a special area called Notifications. You now see some of these intrusive notifications in the right bottom part of the screen. So after people mistakenly click on Allow, they start facing the great number of such notifications randomly. You need to check the list of these websites and delete any malicious pages that might cause such troubles. So click on this related button and get rid of the malicious sites that display such intrusive ads. After you remove all these malicious sites, the trouble should be fixed. But my strong recommendation is that you additionally examine your system with a Combo Cleaner antivirus by going to the page combocleaner.com. Download the software and start researching your computer with the help of this software to make sure that your device is free of any other threats. Once you start Combo Cleaner antivirus, you need to select your preferred scan type. The trial mode of the program, however, only gives you quick scan, so you have no other option available. The premium version of the software also gives you full system scan and custom scan. After this scan type is selected or you choose the quick scan type in the trial mode, click on Start Scan button. The program, even in the trial mode, will help you to fully analyze your computer, and you'll be able to see the complete summary of all threads that were found during the scanning. But of course, you can also clearly see that the program might first update its anti-malware database in order to make sure that all the threads are properly detected during the scan. And you should not actually cancel this process because this is crucial for proper malware detection and removal. So after the anti-malware database is successfully updated, the program will begin the analysis of your computer, and then you will see the summary of all threads that were found during the scan. The scanning may take a while. It depends on how infected your computer is. But pay attention to some features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. You may go to Settings, select Anti-ransomware tab, and you will be able to add the special folder which will be protected against all possible ransomware attacks. However, remember that this particular feature is the part of the premium license only. So at the end of scanning, the program will give you the summary of all threads that were found during the scan, and you'll be able to know their exact location on your computer, so you may remove each specific thread manually, one thread at a time, or you may consider upgrading to the premium version to remove all such threads automatically.